there and welcome once again. Matt Schifferle here for another grind style workout. Today we're using the grind straps for chest and predominantly tricep workout when you're using the door hangers. If you're stuck in a hotel room or you can't get to something overhead, what can you do? Well, naturally a lot of great chest and tricep exercise involve being on the floor, but the straps give us a little more versatility and adjustment. So right now, just warming up with some very gentle incline push-ups on the straps, keeping plenty of tension in the back, and big range of motion. From here, moving into our first main set of the day, we have the archer push-ups. Think of these as like a graduated single arm push-up. So we're gonna go with alternating back and forth, and I'm putting as much weight as I can on my primary working arm. Making sure to maintain plenty of tension in my back. I can back it up a little bit against the door to give myself some stability. And of course, if this is too easy, I can always make the straps a little longer. So I'm closer to the floor. And give yourself about 10 to 12 reps. Keeping it very smooth. You don't want things winging out. Even if your shoulder's out a little bit, it's gonna put a lot of torque and twist on your torso. So you're basically trying to squeeze your arms and your shoulders in as much as possible. This is incredibly important, of course, with straps, because if you're doing closed push-ups on the floor, you can get your hands underneath you. But the straps actually twist you around because they wrap around the edge of your arm, around your shoulder. And then after the final set there, we are going straight, come a little forward into the triceps extensions. So this is the overhead extension. Once again, back stability is crucially important. Keeping the shoulders tight and packed in. Elbows are fairly close in. If you like, you can kind of angle the handles in a little bit. It's kind of like those angled tricep bars you see bodybuilders using on cable press down machines. Same exact stimulus. And again, you want to kind of feel like you're pulling down a little bit in order to take the stress out of your elbow joint and get it right into your triceps. We'll get about a good high rep on this one, 12, 15 repetitions. If you're finding that you're having trouble around 8 or so, walk yourself forward just a couple of inches. Makes a big difference. This is not the strongest exercise, especially after the archer push-ups. It's gonna be hard on the triceps, so you're not gonna need a lot of resistance. After about a 2 to 3 minute break, we're right back into another set of the archer push-ups. This one, you can either go alternated, or if you're starting to feel like one side is getting a little more fatigued than the other, you can stay on one side and work the stronger side while the weaker side's getting some recovery for about 8 to 10, and then you come back and you get the other side, 8 to 10, and then you're right into the triceps once again, and repeat. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section. I also left the full details on this workout, including rest periods and other alternative variations down below in the description. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on this as well. Don't forget, subscribe here if you like these videos, and check out these other videos using my new grind straps. Till then, be fit, live free.